What makes a bodhran a bodhran? The answer to my question is playing both sides of the drum skin simultaneously. One hand predominantly playing the rhythm, and on the inside of the skin, the other hand voicing that rhythm. In my 45 years of playing kit drums and percussion setups, this drum, the bodhran, is amongst the most expressive. I have, however, brought the definitive elements of DrumKit, pulse and ostinato, as you may have noticed, together with the bodhran in my new course, Whole Body Bodhran. 5 elements, bringing together both hands, of course, with the pulse and the ostinato, all threaded together and coordinated by your drummer's brain. This is element 1 of the course, and it's about becoming your own teacher. It's about conscious purpose. It's about thinking, reacting and listening as a drummer, and moving from subjective analysis to objective analysis in assessing your own playing. I'm Mark Campbell. This is Symmetrical Drumming. Join me on my new course. I'll see you here.